Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how can we change our lock screen pattern in Vivo phone. Guys, you want to change your lock screen pattern, so as you can change. And guys, now let's see how to change lock screen pattern in Vivo phone. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you're watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So as now let's start the video guys. First of all, open your phone setting app. So then guys, click on security setting. This security setting guys, click here. Then guys, click on screen lock. Then guys, confirm your pattern guys. Old pattern draw guys. Click on guys again pattern. Then guys you can change. So guys we will change pattern. This we will take this V1 and guys confirm. So guys now you can see guys pattern has changed. Guys old pattern goes like the thunder one and guys current pattern is V. So I hope friends you have understood how to change lock screen pattern in Vivo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.